Greetings, my lovely people. You need to understand that this life is like a phone. When you press the wrong password, it will not open until you press the right one. You need to understand this very well. That in that business you are doing it is not working for now, does not mean that God does not destined to bless you there. No. All you need to do is to discover what others are doing, the right password that the others are using to be selling their goods. That is all you need to do. And you come back and do your own business. Repackage your business. Repackage it. When you repackage your business, it will continue. It will start moving like others. You need to understand that this life is like a phone that has password. When you press the wrong one, it will not open until you press the right one. Even you that is looking for work, you have gone to this country, they didn't accept you. It does not mean that God does not destine you to work or you cannot work. No. All you need to do is to learn your mistake, know where you mistake, know where your mistake is from, and correct it. Learn and go to another interview. They will accept you. This life is like a phone that has password. You need to understand this. In anything you are doing in this life, you do the first one, maybe you didn't succeed. You need to try again. You need to use the right password to do it. Because great people that we are seeing today, those great men, those great women, those successful people that we are seeing today that you want to be like them or you want to be more than them, they passed through all these things. They passed through all these things. If you read their history well, if they tell you their story, you will understand that they passed through all these things. They have confidence. Why they are where they are today is because they have confidence. They believe they can do it. You need to have faith. You need to have confidence in yourself. You can actually do this. You can actually do it if you believe. You can actually do this. No matter what you want to do. Maybe you have tried it before it didn't work. All you need to do is to ask questions. Discover the right password and press it. You see it moving on its own. Even if you want to travel to another country, maybe you have pressed password before and the thing didn't work out. You need to correct your mistake and press another correct password. You will see yourself over there. That is how this life is. When you open a Facebook and they block it, you need to open another one and still continue. That is how life works. You need to discover, you need to ask questions. The people that is doing this, how are they doing it? How are they succeeding in this thing? You need to understand. You need to have confidence in yourself. You need to believe in that thing that you are doing. You need to have faith. And you need to know that you are a human. You can always fail. You can always make mistake. Your job is to learn. Your job is to correct that mistake and pass back. You can always go out. You will pass back and continue your journey. God bless you as you share this message. Be a blessing to someone. Thank you.